Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix hotspot problem. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So first we have to so now I'm going to show you how to fix hotspot problem. So first we're going to on the setting, then we can search it by scroll down, or you can just search it here. So we will click here on auto wireless connection. Then here we will click on hotspot, and we will on the hotspot, then we will check if the hotspot is working or not. Then and if it's not working, then we will have to off it, or you can just leave it only like this, just leave it. So if the hotspot problem is not working, so we needed to click here on dual sim and mobile network. Click there, and then on this mobile data we will on the mobile data, and after that, and if the network is not working, then we will click here sim 1, and then we will have to enable it. We will off it, then on it again. So after you have on it again, so we have to check if the network is still working or not, and if it's not still working, then we will have to search here for network type also. If you have to search here also, and then and sometimes we have to check on VPN, like here VPN is on. So sometimes due to when the VPN is on, then the then the hotspot is it's not working. So we have to off the VPN. Then after we have off the VPN, then we will check, and it will be working again. So like, if it's not working, then you have to change this access point names. So you have to change it. So you have to add another one. Here is the to add another one. Then you have to add another one here, by you have to add another one here. So but when you add, you have to call the company, the SIM card company. You have to call it, then you have to add this one, the new APN. Then after that, then your network will be working again. So this is it guys, of how to fix hotspot problem. So thank you for watching, and I hope it helped.